peeps, what's up? What go on? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Yes. Please remember to leave your girl one little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. Guys, I appreciate all of you who keep coming back, wanting for more, and you keep loving up on your girl. Alright. No more peeps, thank you and I appreciate you. Happy Mother's Day to all of the wonderful mothers out there. Whether you're a dad playing a mother role, your grandma, your cousin, your auntie, you're just a friend, happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful and great moms out there. No, I always make strong back, man punch, stamina. No, we're gonna make a stamina punch for the ladies, and it's gonna have a pinkish color for the ladies as well. It's gonna be super healthy, super delicious. This just cool and chill. Look there. Can't turn over. So anyhow, this is about 2 tablespoons of sea moss. I will leave a link for that one. I have a few pieces of banana just to add the sweetness, because I'm using this silk almond and it's unsweetened. So I have some here, and I have my beetroot powder. I got it on Amazon. I will leave a link. And I'm going to use some strawberry. So it's going to be sea moss, beetroot, strawberry smoothie or stamina back for the ladies. Okay. First, I'm going to put my 2 tablespoons of sea moss. I have some strawberries. You can use more or less. It's up to you. And you need about half finger of banana or quarter. I'm going to go in with 1 teaspoon of beetroot powder. And then we're going to add about 1 cup of milk or 1.5 cups. Don't want to put too much. And I'm going to put a few pieces of ice. And if it's not sweet enough, guys, you can put some honey to taste. Okay, it's up to you. I'm just going to tip a little bit of this ginger tea powder for flavor. You can put, I have the ginger powder, you can put pieces of ginger, it's up to you. So you can put about half teaspoon of that, and that's it. Blend away. All right, look at this. Yeah, we're gonna serve up some. Here goes. I put a little bit of Hershey's chocolate syrup and I just set it in the freezer for about a minute or 2, and this is the one I'm using. All right, and we're gonna pour some in. Here goes. Woo! And this is my Mother's Day special, guys. Yes, I have an umbrella. I'm gonna set it like that, and this is it. This is my sea moss beetroot strawberry smoothie or stamina back for the ladies. It's gonna clean and build your immune system. All right, yes, sea moss packed with lots of antioxidants. This beetroot, guys, it's nitric oxidase booster. All right, it increased stamina, blood flow, and antioxidants from the sea moss and the strawberry. It's gonna clean and build your immune system, help for fighting cancer, lower blood pressure, good blood flow, good heart health. It's gonna give you stamina and energy. All right, even help to lower cholesterol and help to treat diabetes as well, because this is not sweet, guys. This is a superfood for the ladies, full of antioxidants, full of stamina. It's gonna give you good blood flow, good heart health, good to lower blood pressure. So guys, when you're thinking about a drink on this Mother's Day or any time of the day, any time of the year, try this one. Super healthy. My sea moss beetroot strawberry antioxidant smoothie stamina